Coming up on today's Disney Roundup, Disney announces a new Halloween after-hours party for Magic Kingdom this year, Walt Disney World is ending temperature screenings, and Festival of the Lion King returns to Animal Kingdom. I have all that and more for you coming up right here on the DRU.
To infinity and beyond!
I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Hey everyone, Jeff here, and welcome to the Disney Roundup, where I bring you up to date with all the latest Disney and Disney Parks news each and every single week. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. Starting off with Parks news this week, as we are halfway to Halloween, Disney has announced a brand new Halloween-themed Disney After Hours event that will debut this fall at Magic Kingdom. Disney After Hours Boo Bash will take place on select nights from August 10th all the way to October 31st from 9 p.m. to midnight. Festivities will include Halloween-themed cavalcades, character sightings, performances by the Cadaver Dance, decor, lighting, music, treat stops with plenty of candy, and more. Disney After Hours Boo Bash tickets will grant admission to Magic Kingdom as early as 7 p.m. without the need for a day park ticket or Disney Park Pass theme park reservation. Guests can dress in costume for the occasion. In addition, all guests are required to wear approved face coverings during the event. Tickets will go on sale next month with an early purchase window available to guests of select Walt Disney World Resort hotels. Along with the announcement for this year's new Halloween party at Magic Kingdom, Disney also shared a first look at this year's Halloween merchandise, along with some treats you can get at Disney Springs and the downtown Disney district. So, the Disney After Hours Boo Bash will be replacing Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party this year. I believe this will be just a temporary and possible one-year replacement. Reason being, they can't provide all of the offerings you would normally get when going to Not So Scary. The big ones, of course, being no fireworks, no photo ops with special characters, and cavalcades throughout the night instead of the usual Boo to You parade. So with this, I'm glad they're still having some sort of Halloween party this year. I kind of view it almost the same as how they've done with Epcot festivals since the reopening, where they can't provide all of the normal offerings, but a taste of them, if you will. Now, normally tickets for Mickey's Not So Scary would range from $80 to $130 depending on how close to Halloween you would go, so I would expect it to be the same for this as well. Let me know what you think of this in the comments down below though, and if you think it would be worth it or not to go to the Disney After Hours Boo Bash. After being closed for well over a year, Festival of the Lion King has returned to Animal Kingdom. Reported by WDW News Today, this past Sunday, May 8th, Festival of the Lion King returned in its modified form, a celebration of the Festival of the Lion King. As announced, the show is in its modified form to be mindful of the current environment. There are adjustments to the show on stage and backstage, including updates to choreography to allow for appropriate physical distancing, also adjusting how the audience is seated in line with other theater-based experiences. Now, this is just a soft opening for the show, as it will make its official return later this week on May 15th. Showtimes have also now been posted on the My Disney Experience app, with the first show typically starting at 12:30, then select times throughout the day. Now, as this is one of the first major entertainment stage shows to return to Walt Disney World, make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned, and I'll let you know when others will be returning. Now into company news, coming this fall, the Haunted Mansion and all of its happy haunts will be welcoming some new visitors, being the Muppets. Gonzo and Pepe the King Prawn have just announced the Muppets' first ever Halloween special, Muppets Haunted Mansion, which will debut this fall on Disney+. Muppets Haunted Mansion takes place on Halloween night, when Gonzo is challenged to spend one very daring night in the most grim-grinning place on Earth. The special will feature star-studded cast of Muppets, celebrity cameos, all-new music, and frightful fun. The series will go through Haunted Mansion at both Walt Disney World and Disneyland Resorts, Mystic Manor at Hong Kong Disney Resorts, and even Phantom Manor at Disneyland Paris. And if you want to watch the first look at the all-new Haunted Mansion themed special premiering this fall on Disney+, I'll leave a link to that in the description down below. Just under a month from debuting on Disney+, Marvel Studios has made an announcement regarding their next upcoming series, Loki. In an announcement made by Loki himself, Tom Hiddleston says that Wednesdays are the new Fridays and that the series will now debut on Wednesday, June 9th, instead of its previous scheduled release date of June 11th. This is also saying that each new episode of the series will be released on Wednesdays instead of Fridays, which has been the typical release day for other series on Disney+. Let me know what you think in the comments down below though. What do you think of the change up of days for the new episode releases, and if you're looking forward to Loki? Now on outside the parks news, since Walt Disney World reopened this past summer, temperature screenings were a requirement when entering any of the Disney theme parks or even Disney Springs. Well, starting this Sunday, May 16th, that will be coming to an end. Now showing on the Walt Disney World website, it says, since reopening, we have considered guidance from public health authorities, government agencies, and our team of health and safety experts as we assess and update health and safety measures to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. As this guidance continues to evolve, and with the support of local health and government officials, we are making some additional adjustments. Following the advice of the CDC and our local health officials, we will phase out on-site temperature screenings at Walt Disney World Resort for cast members beginning May 8th and for guests on May 16th. We will continue to follow guidance of health and safety leaders going forward, and most importantly, encourage people to get vaccinated. So up until May 16th, temperature checks will still be required at Walt Disney World theme parks and the Disney Springs area. As the Disneyland Resort continues with their phased reopening, Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel will reopen next month. Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel will reopen June 15th, 2021 with limited capacity. Along with the reopening of the hotel, some dining locations at Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, including Napa Rose and Storytellers Cafe, will reopen starting May 28th. Napa Rose will feature both the prix-fixe menu and an a la carte selection. Storytellers Cafe will be offering 3-course meals for breakfast and dinner. Guests can book room reservations starting May 6th. As part of the phased reopening, Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel will not have food and beverage offerings initially. However, hotel guests may visit any of the nearby dining outlets at Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and the downtown Disney District. In addition, on May 28th, the Grand Californian special entrance to Disney California Adventure Park will be available as well. The Disneyland Hotel will reopen on a later date. Continuing with refurbishment to prepare for Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary, the Wave at Disney's Contemporary Resort will not be available starting in July. Walt Disney World has now shared on their website that the Wave of American flavors at Disney's Contemporary Resorts will be unavailable this summer as to refurbish this space in time for the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World Resort. Reservations will be available through July 15th. Of course, the Contemporary is still going under room refurbishments in the main tower, while it is rumored that once the rooms are completed, they will be themed to The Incredibles, so there is a possibility of the Wave receiving the same reimaging as well. Disney has still not confirmed if the Contemporary is going under some Incredibles reimaging. Make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned though, and I'll let you know when the announcement is made. Alright everyone, well that's all I have for you for this week's episode of the Disney Roundup. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. That's all I have for you for this week, and until next time, we'll see you on the DRU.